Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I have two items from Rosalind to review for y'all, and I have these nail tips and a 48 piece gel polish kit. I think it has more than that, but it's a lot of gel polish. And the reason why I'm reviewing two items is because they didn't send me these tips on purpose, and I've actually already reviewed these tips before, just in a different color. I did a pretty in-depth review, so if you would like to see that, I'll link it. But today we're going to be more so focusing on the polish tips, but I will show y'all the tips and tell y'all my thoughts on them as well. But getting into the gel polish, there's a lot, and Rosalind realized that my favorite color is pink, and I do mostly pink nails, so they decided to send me a mostly pink gel polish kit, and I'm going to speed through these swatches. One thing I want to say right now is that these colors are very full coverage. Obviously the glitters, you'll be able to see this color underneath, but I decided to use these tips today to swatch the colors because I don't have any swatch sticks, and yeah, I just wanted to see, like, are these very full coverage? Like, will I be able to see the color underneath? For pretty much, no, for all of the colors, it took one coat for me to not be able to see the tip underneath. But at the end, I will do a second coat and show y'all how that looks. But right now, we're just doing the first coat. And yeah, these colors are solid, very pigmented, always coming through with the quality with Rosalind. And I do have a 5% off code for this gel polish kit that will be valid until the end of this month. For those tips, I don't think I have a code, but I'll have them linked below, of course, because I did enjoy using these tips today. They were easy to use. You don't have to do any shaping for real. And they are thin at the cuticle, so I don't even have to file the cuticle. I didn't bother doing that. And yeah, they're just overall really good quality. You can stick them on with solid gel glue, with anything. But like I said, I did a full review on the tips in a different color already, so I have that link below. I'm just gonna let the rest of the swatches play out because there's a lot of colors to get through, and I'll tell you my thoughts on them, well, more thoughts on them after I'm done swatching. So here are all the colors with 2 coats. They look very beautiful, and I definitely have some favorites. It's kind of hard to tell y'all what my favorites are because there's a lot, but I'm going to be using like one of my favorite glitters that I found in this kit today on my nails. And I'm also going to be using one of my favorite pinks that is in this kit as well. But to adhere these, I do have a pale base coat on, but I am using Rosalind's base coat and flash curing it, and then doing a full cure in my Rosalind nail lamp. And then I wanted to just shape them just a little bit because they have like something sticking out, I don't know, like at the free edge. So I shaped them a little bit, and then we're gonna move on to the nail art. So getting into the nail art, I'm taking this hot pink color, and I'm just going to take my gradient brush and ombre it down. And I do this very lightly, and I like to like put my brush into the gel polish to really drag it down. And then once I get the vertical blend how I like, I take my brush and I kind of wipe it to the side to get the blend smoother. So that's how I do an ombre with just one gel polish color. I then did the same on the rest of my nails, and now I'm adding this beautiful glitter, my favorite glitter in this kit by far. I don't know why, I just love it. It's like a brown glitter with holographicness going on in it, and it's just really pretty. So I decided to add that on top of the color, and I added it on top of this pink because, like I said, it's kind of a brown color, and I wanted these nails to be the hot pink color. So yeah, if you add a base pretty much on any glitter, that base will show through. So that's the design that I'm doing. I didn't mean to forget to record the thumb, but I forgot to record the thumb. So luckily I recorded the rest of my fingers, and this design is pretty simple. You can either do it this way, or you can start by outlining the nail entirely and then drawing the heart. But I started off by drawing the heart, and I start off with a line in the middle, and then I connect them from the top of the corners of my cuticle all the way down to the middle of that line, all the way down to the bottom, basically just creating a heart shape. And then I take that heart shape and I go all the way down with it, and I'm leaving this in real time just to show y'all how I did it. So as you can see, I took that line all the way down, and I'm going to be doing the same on the other side and connecting them in the middle at the free edge of the nail. So this is basically just an outline of the nail right now. You didn't even have to do the heart shape first, but I did decide to do it first. So after I do that, then I'm going to connect the hearts, and make sure you're using a very thin brush, because otherwise your lines might come out too thick, or you might, you know, mess up. I feel like you have more of a chance of messing up when your brush is too thick, because you end up bringing the lines where you don't want them to be. But like I said, I'm gonna connect the heart now, and if you do mess up, which I did mess up on this nail, I will show you how to clean it. All you need to do is take pretty much any brush that is flat, or that's flat and has enough bristles to hold alcohol and clean. So I took that brush and then I just wiped up just like that, and then I fixed the gel that I wiped off by accident. So after I finish this design, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. So remember that I do have a 5% off code in my description below. Everything that I'm using will be linked below as well. Let me know what y'all think of these polishes. y'all know I'm going to be using them a lot more in the future. And I know I only used 3 colors. No, I did use like 6 different colors, because I did like a gradient with the hearts, but I did only use 6 colors. But still, I do really love these polishes. They work so well. Doing the nail art was very easy. Let me know what y'all think of the nails below. I think they're really cute, but I think they're cuter for Valentine's. But everything I'm using will be linked below, remember that. And thank you so much to Rosalind for sending me these polishes and the nail tips. Even though the nail tips was an accident, it's okay. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, because y'all be forgetting, so I'm reminding y'all, leave a like and leave a comment below. I love when y'all comment, and I always try to reply. Let me know any future designs y'all would like to see me recreate, anything like that. And thank y'all for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.